In this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a beautiful website with Wix. Now, Wix is one of the best web builder in the world, and we are going to use Wix to create a website today. Okay. Now, what you guys need to do, you want to search for wix.com. It will take you to this page, and you want to click on Get Started in the top right. Now, in the next page, you want to select here which account you want to use to sign up to Wix. Now I'm going to sign up using my Google account, or you can just sign up using your email and confirm email, or continue with Facebook. Now I'm going to use my Google. Okay, so I have successfully signed up for a Wix account. Now we are going to start creating a website. Now it says here, Wix, who are you creating a website for? Now you can either create a website for a client if you are a freelancer or an agency, or you can just select the first option, which is for myself, my business, or a friend. Now I'm going to select the first option, click on continue. In the next page, it says here, bring your ideas to life with AI. Now I don't really like the new feature like AI thing, they can't really make a beautiful website with like a functional website 100%. There are a lot of mistakes. It's not accurate 100%. So I don't like to use the AI, the new technology that everyone is using right now, including Wix. They are trying to get you into the AI, new technology. They can create a website for you. I don't really like this feature, so click on set up Windows AI. Now you can say, it says here what type of website you want to create. I would like to create an online store, a store about, for example, flowers. Okay, now flowers, plants and flower center, flower shop. Okay, I'm going to create a flower shop. Okay, now you want to click on continue, and in the next page, guys, as you can see here, it says preparing the dashboard. Now here it says here, what would you like to call your website? I would like to call it, for example, flowers. Okay, let's just ask the AI what name are we going to, like, I always use the AI ChatGPT to get a name for my store. For example, I have a flower shop. What name is better? Okay, what name should I use? And the AI is going to give you like different suggestions. You can always use the AI like to write, for example, a text for the website, for something like that. Now I'm going to use, for example, just see all the, okay, we are going to use this one. Okay, now you want to enter the name that you want to call your website. Click on continue, and then here, what are your goals for this site? Sell products. If you want to sell products, select that. If you want to sell services, select that. You can add anything you want. Click on continue. You can also choose the apps that you want to add. You can add an online store, which is the built-in app inside the Wix. Click on continue, and then click continue to the dashboard. Now it will take you directly again to the Wix dashboard, as you can see here. Now you can either connect your domain name if you already have it. Now if you don't connect it, nothing is going to change, but your website is not to look like professional. It will look unprofessional. Now if you add a website like a domain name, your website is going to stand out, because if you don't use domain, like you will see here, as you can see, wix.com, so people will recognize that you are using the Wix domain. Okay, so as you can see here, if you click on store products, you can see different features here. I'm going to explain this to you in a few seconds. Now go back and click on design site so that we can start designing our flower shop site. Okay, now it says here, let Wix create a site for you. Use our site builder to go live quickly, or customize a design template. Choose from thousands of designs for your site. Now you want to click on pick a template, and you can for example pick any template you want. It says here best match. Now they give you a template that has something to do with the flower shop, because we selected at the beginning the type of website we want to create. Now as you can see, I really like this one. I'm going to click on edit. Now you can customize this template. By the way, you make sure you select the right template because you can't really change it after you create your website. Okay, this is the template that we used. Now if you just click this X, and as you can see different for example, you can add elements, add section, you can add here pages, site design, you can add apps here, you can add for example business, media. Now you can add like these tools. I'm going to show you guys how you can use them in a few seconds. Now this is the website. Okay, now you can customize this as you want. Okay, for example, first click on this plus here so that you can see what you are doing. Now first, how you can add a logo to your website. Now you want to click this X in the top left, and then you want to click on image, and then you want to click on upload images, and then you want to click on upload from computer, and you can add here the logo that is related, for example, to flower shop. This is the logo. Just give it a few seconds. Now the logo is uploading to our Wix. Okay, next thing you need to do, guys, after the logo is uploaded, you want to click on add to page. Now this is the logo. You can put it anywhere you want. You can customize it as you want. Just for example, like make it smaller. Just press and hold and make it smaller, and you can move it anywhere. You can put this anywhere you want. As you can see, we have put it here. By the way, this is not a logo that I created. This is just some random logo from Google. Now you can, for example, if you don't like this section here, you can just press on it, right click, and then you can delete this section where it says home, shop, about. Okay, you can change this promotions, shop now. You can change it, or you can delete it, right click and then click delete. As you can see, I have deleted it. Now as you can see, fresh beautiful order now and get the same day delivery. You can change this as you want. Just click on the text and you can change it as you want. Okay, change it to the text, like change it as you want. If you click, for example, on a text, you can click on create AI text. Like you can create AI text, or you can just edit this text. For example, you can also change the style of the text. Okay, make it a little bit, the font size, make it smaller. Okay, this one looks beautiful. Yeah, just make it as you like. You customize it. You can also change the background, you know. For example, you can add the about section. If you click on this add section here, you can search for about, and it will give you guys different about sections here. We are going to use this one. As you can see, you can customize it. You can change this picture to your picture, for example, change the background, and then click on image, and you can upload the image from your here where it says upload media. You can upload it from your computer if you want. Now, as you can see here, with this text, you can change it. For example, my name is Alexa. You can change it to your own name and introduce yourself here. If you click on this text, you can change it. My name, for example, clients or something like that. So you just need to customize this as you want. You can also change the font size. You can change the tag, like for example, you can make it bold. Bold looks really beautiful. You can move it anywhere here. About me, you can delete this if you want. Just right click and then click delete. Okay, you can also click on add section, and you can add, for example, the theme. If you have a theme, you can add all your theme here on their pictures. You can add that. If you click, for example, here, you can add all the theme that is working on your website, and you can change each picture. Like you can change their picture, you can change the name of the, like, this is just an example that you can change as you want. Okay, now you can also add, for example, if you click on this plus button, you can add the video here. As you can see, if you click, for example, on, yeah, you can, as you can see, video and music, click on YouTube, and you can add a video that is, for example, related to the flowers. If you have a video on YouTube, just click on change video, and then you can go to YouTube and get yeah, you just need to get the video URL, flower production. Okay, you can find any video here. We are going to use this one.
People actually go to the
Copy
bathroom.
the URL and then go back and then paste that URL here. As you can see, this video looks really cool, as you can see here. Now you can put it anywhere here. You can just say our team is working for you, and then you can add that video here so that people will check like how your team is working for the, you know, to satisfy the customer. You know, you can put this anywhere you want. Here it looks beautiful. You can make these videos, you can see here. You can like move it near the text. All right, it looks really cool. Now, like I said, you can change this to, for example, if someone is working for the website, you can click on change image. Then you can change their names. Okay, and if you scroll down, you can see the about section, which I have showed you at the beginning. I'm a product. Now you can change this product. If you click, for example, on manage product, you can add here your own product. Okay, click on manage product. Just wait a few seconds and you can start adding your own products. Okay, your own flowers that you want to sell inside your Wix. I don't know why this is taking so long to load. Okay, so I'm just going to wait. Okay, so it says sell physical or digital product. Now what you guys need to do, you want to delete all these things. Click on more actions and then click delete, and then start uploading the, you know, just click on delete, click again delete, and then you want to click a new product, physical product, which is how I'm going to sell flowers. Now I'm going to search for a random flowers for sale. Now I'm going to get some images, this one for example, or this one looks really cool. This one, I'm going to move it here. Now go back here, add images, and upload media. Click upload from computer. If you click here, you can change, you can add the product pictures here. If you are trying to make an online store, okay, an e-commerce store, you can add the product pictures here. Just wait a few. All right, now as you can see, guys, the picture is now uploading. Now after it's finished, you just need to, you know, I think there is something wrong with this image. Maybe they don't accept. Okay, it's accepted. Now I'm gonna click on add to page. Now as you can see, this is the product image. Now in the title, you can, for example, title the for example, you can title your product, for example, flowers for your loved ones. Okay, and then click and then scroll down, and you can add here the description of the product, like what this flower is about, how it's like the material, like the materials you use to create the you know, the flower. Now here the price, I'm going to price it $200. Scroll down and you can add, for example, if it's in stock, you can add here out stock, and then the shipping weight, add the shipping weight, and then you want to click on save. Okay, now after that, you want, as you can see, this product is now uploaded to our, you know, to our store. Now it says here you haven't connected the payment method, customers won't be able to pay you. So you need, guys, to add the payment method to your store so that you can start receiving payments. Okay, that's the first thing you need to do. Now here you can customize this as you want. You can change the background. If you click on the background, you can change background. All right, it looks really cool. Now you want to publish the store. Here in the top, you want to publish it. First, you want to click on preview, and you want to see how the store looks like, if you like it or not. Just give it a few seconds, and this is how your store looks like. This is the video we have added. If someone clicks on it, you will be able to watch it. Now after you are happy with the store and your everything, you want to click on publish and then click on save and continue. So that's it, guys. Now you have successfully published your online store. Congratulations. Now you have, it says here your site is published. The following will be the domain name. This is your domain name. It's going to be Wix site. Okay, you can also add the customized domain name. You can get it from anywhere. And that's it. Publish now. And that's it, guys. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. We have created successfully the website. Okay, everything is okay. I'm in the preview mode, that's why I'm not able to publish. Now click on publish. Okay, now I have published it successfully. So that's it, guys. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.